Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back. Just wanted to go over what came in the mail today from Walgreens and a couple tips for you guys. So I wanted to do the unboxing. I got my Walgreens package a couple minutes ago. This was from my online Walgreens haul for last week. So I did it on Monday and it's today, Monday. So it took you're so tough. It took a week to get my, say hi.
Hi.
It took a week to get my stuff. So I wanted to show you how it came and go over a couple tips. So this is the L'Oreal makeup. As you can see, it's all messed up. This is the other one. This one's in good condition, so this one I can certainly use, but the blue one, definitely gonna have to return because it looks like the second I open it, there's like little bits all over it. Then my powder, as you can see, you can't hear it, but it's all broken. No. My foundation did arrive, perfect, no problems with that. Let me see. And my lip liner did arrive well, no issues, it's not broken, nothing like that. And it's still sealed. So just a couple tips, maybe don't order makeup online. The shipping didn't really work well. I am in Florida and I know it's super hot. Maybe that's why they seem to kind of melt. But 2 of the 5 items I will have to return. Not a horrible ratio, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that for when you're doing your online hauls at Walgreens or CVS. You may want to stay away from the makeup items. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.
Okay,
say bye.
now